They had me standing in line. They had me waiting long, long hours, and no one told me the time. Blinded, I cannot find myself into the mist of the night. Miss you, why don't you ring me up now? Starting a fight, it's alright, you're not gonna get anywhere. Which of you got the better apology? It's late at night and there is nothing left to do. The casual boys with the funk has left no clue. I lost my sense on the bench coming down again. Boys with noise, there is nothing left to lose. You're probably dead when I fall off channel 2. You're probably dead by the time I get to you. Casual boys, there is no attitude. Casual boys alone, pass me what you got. Casual boys alone, why don't you come and get me? I'm on discovery. What you want from me? Lover boy, load me like you. Casual boys alone, pass me what you got. Casual boys alone, why don't you come and get me? I'm on discovery. What you want from me? Lover boy, load me like you do. They had me sitting in the mud now, watching all the people go, waiting to get themselves washed. I wasn't weary that the time passed quicker than a race car. Round, round, round. Sooner I realized that no one could save me. I could only save myself. I have been plundering my life out, waiting for my lover to come and get me.
I don't wanna come on too strong, yeah. I'm always worried I'll stay too long. But what's on your mind tonight? I love it when we can laugh together. That kind of thing, it just makes me feel better. I'm gonna give this just one try. Or what if I told you you took my breath away? And what if I told you I wish that I could stay? Is it a mistake? Will my heart break? Or will you love when I say, what if I told you you took my breath away?